In this video from Device Doctor, I'll show you how to remove and install the toner cartridge on the Canon imageRUNNER 2630i. This quick guide will help you replace the toner correctly and get your printer ready to print again.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
Replacing the toner cartridge correctly helps prevent printing issues and ensures the printer operates smoothly. Always install the toner securely until it locks into place before resuming printing. The Canon imageRUNNER 2630i uses the Canon C-EXV 59 or NP-84 Black toner, depending on your region. This high-yield toner can print up to approximately 30,000 pages while delivering reliable performance and consistent print quality. The Canon C-EXV 59 toner includes a smart chip that identifies the cartridge, monitors toner usage, and reports the remaining toner level. Installing a new toner with a functional chip allows the printer to recognize the cartridge and continue printing normally. As you can see, the toner cartridge has been installed correctly, and the printer is ready for normal operation. Always make sure the toner is fully locked into place before closing the front cover to avoid recognition or printing issues. I hope this tutorial made the replacement process quick and easy. Thank you for watching Device Doctor. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.